Once two hungry lions were let loose towards Sayyidina Ibrahim alayhi salatu wasalam. By the omnipotence of Allah Azza wa Jal, they began to lick his feet and prostrate to him despite being hungry. Another excellence of Sayyidina Ibrahim alayhi salatu wasalam is, once Sayyidina Ibrahim alayhi salatu wasalam could not find any grain. On the way, he alayhi salatu wasalam found red sand and filled his sacks with it. After he alayhi salatu wasalam reached home, his family members asked, "What is it?" He alayhi salatu wasalam replied, "It is red wheat." As the sacks were opened, they really contained red wheat. When this wheat was sowed, its crops were full of wheat from root to ear. This is a mu'jiza, means prophetic miracle of Sayyidina Ibrahim alayhi salatu wassalam. Sallu ala al-Habib sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wa sallam.